how to customize Xbox One dashboard. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Hemi Jarvis, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to customize your Xbox One dashboard. Okay, a lot of people was asking me how did I do this, because they had seen the wallpaper on my backboard. As you can see by looking at the screen here, I got It Chapter 2 wallpaper hanging right here on my backboard. On my dashboard. And you know, if you guys want to know how I did it, this is the video you want to stick around and watch. Okay, make sure that you watch this entire video, okay, because you don't want to miss any steps that I outline in this video. So make sure you just sit down, watch this whole entire video, because you don't want to miss any valuable information. All right. So I'm just going to take y'all through this step by step. You can do it as I go. But before I get into this video, I want to ask you guys for a huge favor. I would highly appreciate it if you guys can hit that like button. That will help my channel grow a whole lot. And the more my channel grow, the more I can provide this great content for you guys. So if you can do one thing for me, could you just hit that like button? That would really help me a lot. I would appreciate that highly. Okay. So now let's get right into the video on how to customize the Xbox One dashboard. All right. So the thing you want to do first, guys, to do this, you must have a USB. All right. You got to have a USB hard drive. And what you want to do is you want to get on your computer first, right? So get on some type of computer, whether it's a laptop or a desktop. And what I want you to do is put that USB inside of your computer, and then go to google.com, right? Go to Google and type in whatever type of background that you want on your Xbox Live Gold Code. Sorry about that. Whatever type of background you want on your Xbox dashboard. So what I mean is, go to Google. If you want Pennywise on your backboard, on your dashboard, just go to Google and type in Pennywise wallpaper 4K. All right. And the reason you want to say 4K is because you want a nice, crispy, clean looking background. All right. So I believe this background that I uploaded, basically I just went to images. So let me break it down. So go to Google right now. After you put your USB inside of your computer, go to Google and type in Pennywise wallpaper 4K. All right. Then click on images. Now, once you do that step, it's going to show you a whole bunch of images that you know you could use as your Xbox background. So you want to take those images, right, and put them on your USB. The images that you like, the ones that you think that you want on your Xbox dashboard, take them and put them inside of your USB. Now that you have the images on your USB, step number 2 is going to be for you guys to get the USB, put it inside of your Xbox. All right. So once you put the USB inside of your Xbox, what I want you to do is hit the home screen button. So basically hit the button on the center of your Xbox One controller. You want to tap that, and you want to scroll over to where it says settings. All right. Once you go to settings, just go down, click on settings. All right. Now I want you to go down to personalization. Once you get on the personalization tab, go over and then just scroll, basically hit the right D-pad and then go down from there until you get to my color and background. All right. So once you hit my color and background, you are going to simply go over and then go down, customize image. All right. Now, as you can see, that's the USB that I had put inside of my Xbox. Hopefully you guys put the USB inside of your Xbox that has the pictures on it. All right. Now the pictures are all here on my USB, and you guys are going to see it in a minute once I get on here. Okay, so let me go to the USB because I want to open this USB. And here are all my files that's on the USB. I had saved my pictures inside of Xbox background. Don't pay attention to this right here. I know a lot of you are looking at that right there. Just pay attention to this right here. All right. Now, once you go there, here are your images right here on your dashboard. I mean, on your USB right here. So I only put 3 images on my USB. This one, and this one. So as you guys can see, I'm going to try to attempt to make my Xbox dashboard. I'm going to put the Avengers Infinity War picture on my dashboard, and we're going to see what it looked like. This is a 4K image that I had downloaded from Google, so you guys can do the same. So all you're going to do is click A on the picture that you want to use. As you can see, guys, it's the Avengers, and it's a 4K image. Guys, it's important to do a 4K image because you want the sharpest quality, okay? So now that I hit A, what you want to do now is hit start, all right? Hit start on your controller, and then you want to go down to where it says set as background. So I'm going to set it as background. Now, this image has now been set as my Xbox One dashboard background. So that's how you customize your background. Let me hit the middle button on your controller again, in the center of your controller, and then go home. All right, so once you go home, as you guys can see, the background image is right there. I got Avengers Infinity War on my dashboard background. And that's how you do it, guys. Now, I'm going to go back because I want to change my image back to Pennywise. I like the Pennywise movie image, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back to the Pennywise. So what I'm going to do is hit the button in the middle of my Xbox controller. I'm going to go over to settings. All right, go to personalization, my color and background. All right, and then go over to where it says customize image, and I'm gonna set it back to Pennywise. So I go back into my USB with the pictures on there, go into the folder that I saved the pictures in, and then I'm gonna use this background instead of the other one. So now, see, I don't like that one. It's not that clear. So I'm just going to go back to this one because it's a little more clear. Yeah, it's clear. Get you a clear image. Hit start and then set as background. And now I go back home and boom, there it is. That's how you do it, guys. Now, let me show you guys another thing that you can do as well. So you know how your screen slides over like this? Some people want to know how to set it differently. So what you do is you hit the middle of your button, hit the middle of the button on your controller. You go back to settings. All right. Go to personalization. And then you want to go to themes and motion. All right, themes and motion. And you can hit this button right here, smooth transition. And what it does is it takes it off of that sliding. So now you see it's just like, you see what I'm saying? Now you see what it look like. It's cool. But I like the thing on. I want to keep that on. But it kind of like, you know, it didn't really make too much of a difference. But if you notice it, you notice it. But let me go back and put that back on because I want to keep that on. Let me see. But yeah, it's all in your settings, guys. You just go to personalization. You can change your image right here in my colors and background. But let me put this back on. Smooth transition. Okay, make motions more fluid while exploring home. So that's just make your you know, it makes it more smooth when you moving around on here. But yeah, there it is, guys. Pennywise background. So hopefully this video was helpful. Again, guys, if this video had helped you out at all, I mean, if it helped you just a little bit, I want you to hit that thumbs up button. It's really going to help my channel tremendously. All it takes is 1 second of your time to tap that button, and you will help my channel a whole lot just by doing that. If you have any questions, be sure to leave it in the comment boxes below, because I do read my comments all the time, and I will try to answer any questions that's in the comment section. All right, now one more thing I'm gonna tell y'all before I leave. Make sure that y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bells if you don't want to miss out on any other videos that I upload, because all of my video contents is mostly about gaming. You know, I've been talking about the Xbox One console lately. You know, stuff like how to game share, stuff like basically how to game share on Xbox One. And then I also been talking about how to get free games on the Xbox One console. I also been talking about stuff like how to share your Xbox Live Gold code with someone else. So if you're interested in those type of videos, guys, just be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also turn on your notification bell so that you will not miss out on any other videos that I upload, because all the videos I upload is here to help you guys. It's here to make your experience better with your Xbox, with your PlayStation 4, any gaming content. I'm just here to really help you guys make your experience better. So, you know, yeah, I got more videos. You can check out my channel if you want to. If you want to learn more about, you know, just the videos I upload. I put some links in the description. Y'all can check those out as well. You know, follow me on social media. I'm everywhere basically. But yeah, other than that, guys, and I also want to let y'all know I do be playing on Xbox all the time. So shout out to everybody who has Fortnite. Shout out to everybody who has Grand Theft Auto. Shout out to everybody who has 2K. Let me show y'all what games I got. Hold on. My games and apps. See all. These are the digital games that I had downloaded so far. So, you know, if you got these games, shout out to you. I got Minecraft, NBA 2K20, Grand Theft Auto, Fortnite, Rise, Son of Rome, Roblox, you know. And again, guys, I've been game sharing with people in my household, and even with some friends. So, you know, if you want to learn game sharing, this is definitely the YouTube channel that you want to be subscribed to, because I do videos teaching you guys how to do that stuff. So, but yeah, and I also just made a video about how to speed up your download speed. So like, say you got an Xbox One and you want to know how to download games faster on your Xbox One. I just did a video about that. You can check that out on my channel as well. Anyway, I ain't gonna make this video too long. I just wanted to show y'all that stuff. But yeah, hopefully this video was very helpful. I hope you guys change your background. Let me show y'all this one more time though before I go. So what you want to do, just to make sure that you guys understand it, you hit the middle button, and you hit the button in the middle of your controller. You go to settings, hit the RB button until you get to settings, and then once you get to settings, you just go to personalization, my profile. Oh no, sorry about that. It's my color and background. You go over, you go to custom image, and once inside of custom image, you click on the USB, and then, you know, you go down to Xbox, basically whatever folder you got the pictures in. You get on the picture, you hit start, and you hit the set as background. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it in a nutshell. All right, so again, if this video has helped you out at all, guys, at all, if I helped you in any kind of way, be sure to hit that like button. It's very important to me. It will help my channel grow a whole lot, and I would highly appreciate that from you guys. Another thing, be sure to subscribe, like I always say, and also turn on your notification bells. If you got any questions, again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section on this video, because I do read my comments all the time, and I will try to get to your question as soon as possible. Now, other than that, I am Hemi Jarvis. I hope I taught you guys how to really customize your Xbox One dashboard, and I will see you guys in the next video.